Hello, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to insert the degree symbol in Word on both Windows and Mac. Here's an overview of what we will cover in this video. Insert a degree symbol in Word on Windows. Method 1. By using the symbol feature on the ribbon. Place the cursor where you want to insert the degree symbol. Go to the Insert tab. Click Symbol. Select More Symbols from the drop-down menu. In the Symbol dialog box, under the Symbols tab, choose the font you want from the font drop-down list. Select Latin 1 Supplement from the subset drop-down list. Scroll through the symbols and click the degree sign. Click the Insert button. Close the dialog. You can see the degree symbol is inserted successfully. Method 2. By using a keyboard shortcut. Place the cursor where you want to insert the degree symbol. Hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding the Alt key, type 0176 on the numeric keypad. Release the Alt key. You can see the degree symbol appears. For this method to work, ensure number lock is on and use the numerical keypad on the right side of your keyboard instead of the numbers at the top. Method 3. By using the character map. In the Windows search bar, type character map and press Enter. At the bottom of the character map window, select the Advanced View checkbox. In the Search for box, type degree. Click Search. Click on the degree symbol to highlight it from the list. Click the Select button. Then click the Copy button. Go back to your Word document and place the cursor where you want to insert the symbol. Press Ctrl+V to paste the degree symbol. You can see the degree symbol is inserted successfully. Insert a degree symbol in Word on Mac. Place the cursor where you want to insert the degree symbol. Go to the Insert tab and click Advanced Symbol. In the Advanced Symbol dialog box, under the Symbols tab, keep Symbol selected in the Font drop-down list. Find and select the degree symbol. Click the Insert button. Close the dialog. You can see the degree symbol is inserted at the cursor's location. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. See you next time.